Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to bleed Nissan Juke clutch. Park the car, set the parking brake, and lift with jack stands for safety. Locate the clutch fluid reservoir and clean the cap area before opening to avoid contamination. Gather a clear hose, catch bottle, spanner for the bleeder nipple, and fresh DOT fluid. Have an assistant ready to gently pump the clutch pedal while you manage the bleeder. Begin with the two-person method for reliable results. Assistant presses the clutch pedal slowly while you open and close the bleeder nipple to expel air. If solo, attach a vacuum pump to the bleeder and suck fluid through until clear, topping the reservoir frequently. For gravity bleeding, crack the bleeder and let fluid flow until air stops, but monitor reservoir level closely to prevent sucking air in. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and budgeting, and it pairs well with DIY savings from doing your own vehicle work. I recommend picking up a copy to read on a break between steps, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the pedal feels spongy after bleeding, repeat the process and replace contaminated fluid because air or moisture can remain trapped. Inspect all lines, fittings, and the slave cylinder for leaks and tighten or replace as needed. If the pedal bottoms out or returns inconsistently, check the master cylinder and reservoir level and ensure the clutch fork and release bearing move freely without binding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.